Welcome back to another episode of 419 Fishers of Men Love, Pray, and Fish. Trying to zoom in. This thing is a pain to zoom in. Can you see that? Is that llamas? German llamas in the distance? Wish this thing zoomed in more. It's got a little farm or something going on up there. It's pretty neat, I reckon. There's a better view of the clock. This town's called Konken, Konken, Konken. That's where I'm at. It's by Kusel, which is near Kaiserslautern, which is near Ramstein Air Base. So that's where I'm at, if you guys were wondering. Pretty up there. Sure is pretty. And bright. Bright sun. There we go, we got the clock tower for you. It's cool. Let's make Jesus famous. Let's make heaven crowded. And don't forget to love, pray, and fish.